Demolition absolutely assaulted the 15 car. That was incredible. I think he may have hit him hard enough to hurt that rear end of that car, that's for sure. Man. Look at the 88 car. Oh, that's a foul tip right there. Boom. Almost sandwiched. The 22 car came into your station wagon. Now it's a two-door. Oh, there's a good hit right there. 70, nice hit right there. Stephen Harper did a great job. 80 damage storage. Watch how Stephen works that car. Watch this. 15 car is hurt. What did the 15 do to him? Everybody's beating on the 15. We got to make some noise. We got to help that guy out. James Parsons.
I'm feeling bulletproof.
19's going. Bernadette's going. Steve's going. Oh. 30. Robbie Lassos hit the brakes, and if he would have done it, half his car would have been chopped off. Look at how fast some of these guys are going. Let's make some noise. Let's get some noise. Man. Oh. Derek Udiger's car shot straight up in the air, and he put a rabbit punch on the number 10. Oh, man, these guys are hooked up. There's some hitting going on in this arena right now. That's some of the hardest stuff I've seen. Wow. All right, Bernadette hasn't moved yet, but the 88 car is still moving. Derek Udiger. And Derek's at the tire store, Westside Body and Paint. Although he uses less paint to paint it now than when he got in the arena, because half of it's missing. All right, 101 car still strong, 44 still strong, 39 a beast, or was a beast. 31 car, last year's winner, Kevin Porter, critical car care.
Oh!
Water out of that tire.
There's water out of that tire.
But the Roadhouse car still rolling on. They had to give a medal to the 22 car just to be able to drive that thing. There's nothing left. Remember, hits in the driver's side door, if they're intentional, are rules for disqualification. 39 car is still pretty active. Robert Williams. Oh, look at that. 21 car just said we're done. She done blowed up. We're getting pretty close to our final. Our cars going to the main event. How about a round of applause for this first heat? These guys beat each other hard. Wow. 39 car going strong, living at 22. Parsons is in there too. 73 car, that starts been pretty tough. And the 10 car just rolling on. Alright, they back out of the front door hit, which that's the way it is. We need the 44 just to go backwards, flat-footed right now. Oh, man. Well, that's part of the steel wheel tour right there. 101 car. Give Hank Patterson a round of applause because that's going to hurt. Checkered flag is out. Checkered flag is out.